How to use Facebook lead generation ads. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Facebook lead generation ad. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to log onto your Facebook account. And once you log onto your Facebook account, you're just going to click on these four dots over here and you're going to click on add over here. Once you do that, you're going to choose the Facebook page from the left over here. You have this drop down menu once you click, and you're going to choose the Facebook page that you want to create an ad for. So, depending on the Facebook page, you're going to choose. So, let's say I want to create a ad campaign for success online. So, what I'm going to do after that, you're going to choose the goal for your ad campaign. So, in this video, we're going to be focusing on getting more leads, and getting more leads basically means that we would have more people that we know are interested in our product. So I'm going to select getting more leads over here. And once you click on getting more leads, now you will have to begin creating your contact form. So first off, we're going to add your form name, and then you're going to add what kind of customer information you want from the customers. So let's say I want their full name is obviously going to be a must, and this is like what it's currently looking like. You can see the preview of your lead generation form on the right. And let's say I want their email address, I want their gender as well. Yeah, I think that is good enough. I don't want this to be too long or too annoying. Just the name, email, and gender. And then you can also add a short question, like a short answer question. So let's say if you want to ask if they are interested in building their own business, or if they are interested in like the kind of product you're selling. So if you're selling like perfumes, then you could say what kind of scent is your favorite, or do you like woody smells or musky smells. So you can add any question like that, but I'm going to skip that. And then you're going to add the language for your form. We're going to add English as well. And you can also add your privacy policy if you want. And then you're just going to click on next over here. And you can see this is going to be the preview, and then you also have a shuffle creative. So this can let Facebook optimize your ad creative by texting a mix of headlines, images, and buttons to show people. I do like to turn this on because it makes it a bit variable, but if you don't turn this on, your ad will look exactly like the way you published it. Now, after that, you can add the description for your Facebook page. So, whatever description you add in your ad creative, you want to make sure that it is very attractive to the people that are going to look at it. Because when people are going to look at this, they're going to be very inclined to actually, go ahead and take a look at this page. And this is going to, really make them interested in trying to take a look at what this course is or what this form is talking about. Now, after that, you have your attachment. So you're going to select the media that you want for your page, and I am going to add images. So you can go onto any royalty-free platform. I'm going to go onto Vecteezy. Vecteezy is a great platform to get free images and free art or vector images as well. So I like to go onto photos and I like to search for money. So I'm gonna take a look. So you can see there are so many different images available, and I am just going to take this image and I'm going to open it up, this one, and I'm going to click on free download. I'm going to click on free license, and you just have to wait 5 seconds, and that is it. So our image has now been downloaded. Now I'm going to go back and I am going to use this image or this one. I'm going to add like a couple of different images, and you want to make sure you're adding different images as well because it really helps people get an idea of your brand or the look of your brand. People are more inclined to actually browse through the images that you add. They want to add like interesting images and that really illustrate the point of your ad. So we're gonna keep on looking for more, and I'm gonna click on photo, and we are just going to take a look at these photos. I think these three images are going to suffice, so I'm gonna go back onto my Facebook page and I'm going to click on select media, and I'm gonna click on upload, and I'm going to go into my downloads over here, and I'm just going to open up these images. We're just going to wait for our images to be added, and I'm just going to add these three. Now I've added my images, and the next set up is going to be the button label. So what kind of button do you want to add over here? So you can add sign up, subscribe, get code, learn more, and apply now. So I want to add subscribe to the button preview, and after that you have your audience. So you're going to choose what kind of people you're targeting, and this is really important because you don't want an audience that is not profitable. So wherever you get the most amount of profits from, you want to add that as your audience. And I have added 18 to 65 in United States, and then you have the ad campaign duration. So let's say I want to run this ad campaign for 15 days for the lead generation, and I want the end date to be at the 30th, or maybe I want the end date to be on the 9th of April, so that is going to be 10 days, or maybe I'm going to make it 13. And after that, you're going to add the total budget. So you have a minimum and you have a maximum as well. So you're going to have to spend a certain amount of money for Facebook ads, and this is going to be my total budget, and estimated 65 to 197 people reached per day. But if I want to increase my lead generation, I will have to pay more. And then after that, you have your placements. So where do you want your ads to be placed? On Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram, or on just on Facebook or just on Messenger? So maybe I only want them to be placed on Facebook and Instagram, not on the Facebook Messenger application. And after that, you are going to add your payment method, and then you're just going to click on promote now, and you are going to be ready to start your lead generation campaign on Facebook. So that is how simple and easy it is to set up. There are a few tools that I would like to tell you guys about, like Canva. So if you want to create your own animated ad campaign, then definitely do check out Canva and use them to create like a graphic illustration kind of campaign. So you can create something really creative and really customized for your ads using Canva. Other than that, make sure you are adding a good time limit to your ad campaign, because lead generation can only do so much. You need to move on to the second step to actually have converting customers. So a lead generation campaign should never extend over a month, because you need to take the customers that you generate and move them to the next step of actually purchasing the product or getting to purchase the product. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family, and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.